everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. Okay, it's quite early morning here at the moment. It's quite dark because here in the UK the clocks went back at the weekend, so it means we have quite dark, dismal mornings at the moment. But I am up early and I'm getting ready to go into London for the day. I'm going to Harrods, Fendi at Harrods to be precise, because I have been invited to a very special Fendi event, a Selleria workshop. And I feel so privileged and grateful because this is the second Fendi event that I've been invited to in the last month. And it's all courtesy of my lovely, amazing sales associate, Valentina. I'm so grateful to be invited. Yeah, so I'm getting ready for that. I've got my makeup to do, I need to do my hair, put my contact lenses in, and I will try and do an outfit of the day shot just before I go. Spoiler alert, the bag I'm taking with me is my new bag that I've just recently unboxed on my channel, so if you haven't seen that I will link that video down below. But given that this is a Selleria workshop, I thought it was very appropriate that I take this new bag with me today, so I'm very excited about that, looking forward to the day. But even more exciting than all of that is the fact that a very, very good friend of mine, someone you all know, has also been invited to the event. So I'm meeting her up there in Harrods. We are attending the event together. We have a double appointment, and yeah, we are going to spend the day together, so that is just really exciting. So I'm going to go and finish getting ready, and then I will see you on the train and at Harrods very shortly. So here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a lily silk blouse over a black vest top. I've got black wide leg trousers on. These are courtesy of Amelia Rose from Amelia Rose's closet. She has these in the green and burgundy, and I kept seeing her in them and thinking how lovely they looked. So I ordered myself a pair of green ones, and then I found out that they came in black as well, so I got the black ones. They are from River Island and I will link them down below. And then I have my Saint Laurent belt on with them, and of course my gorgeous new green Selleria baguette, which I just adore, and my black low-heeled Calibris to finish off the look. So here are some beauties in Fendi, absolutely gorgeous bags as usual. What else would we expect? But I've got someone even more beautiful than all these bags here, someone who is very special, and it is Gwenny. Hello. Hello Gwenny. It's just so lovely to see you
and
in
you.
Fendi.
In Fendi,
Again,
in Harrods.
I know, our special place.
This is our special, this is our place.
It is, definitely, yeah.
And we've got Valentina.
I know. And we've got coffee.
Oh, hi everyone.
Hi Valentina. So what are we looking at here, Gwenny? Oh.
I'm looking at a beautiful, beautiful green. Check out that green and the sequins. And it goes really nicely with my jade.
Beautiful.
So,
and you are missing sequins, aren't you? You don't have any Fendi sequins.
I haven't yet. I've got crystals. I don't have sequins yet.
So bag of the day for Gwenny is beautiful Ms. Peekaboo and all her lilac beauty. And the strap U, of course, looks gorgeous.
If you weren't sure, it's Fendi.
Yes, lovely. And what
we're tatty wrappy.
Yeah, no, it's not tatty.
It's not been done since we bought them.
Oh, it looks lovely. It looks fine. It looks absolutely fine. So what we're here to do today is a Selleria workshop, and we are it's Valentina posing for us, and we're here to make a charm out of Selleria leather. So of course we had to get a shot of these two stunning Fendi beauties together. The colours are just glorious. And talking of colour, have a look at these. These peekaboos and mini baguettes are Harrods exclusive, and we have this beautiful green crystal and also green galusha. These are stunning. I really love this galusha, and I think it actually works best on this peekaboo.
Look at it, Claire. Look at it.
It is beautiful. Are you tempted? It is lovely.
It's not my shade of green. You want to be careful because that's my shade of green.
Okay, so I've now got Debs after my blue baguette and you after my green baguette.
Yeah, none of us can be trusted.
Well, if if you want this, I want your crystal nano baguette. Yes, I do like that.
I wouldn't have said it's a fair swap. But...
Anyway, enough of that. The reason we're actually here today is for a Selleria workshop and to make our very own bag charm with a Fendi artisan. Now, our Fendi artisan was Martina, and she actually works at the Fendi factory in Cappanuccia near Florence, Italy. And that is so exciting. She actually makes Fendi bags. If you have a Fendi bag, it may have been made by Martina. And in this building pictured here. It was so interesting to talk to Martina. She was a wealth of information about how the bags were made. It was fascinating and so exciting to talk to a genuine artisan from Fendi. Now Martina was there to help us make our very own bag charms. So we started off by picking the colours and the shapes we wanted for our charms. Now there were two flower shapes, one in a very dark kind of khaki olive green and one in the bluey green teal. And then there was an oval shape with the Fendi Selleria embossing on it, which is like the little plaque that they put inside the Selleria bags, and that was in this nice blue that is similar to my blue baguette. And then we could choose the colour of our cord, again, which is the blue or the teal, and we could choose our stitching, and we could go for the same colour stitching or a contrast stitching. After a lot of deliberation, I decided to make my charm out of the two blue colours and use a blue strap with contrast stitching. I thought that colour combination would go with both of my regular size baguettes.
It's because it's wax, because it prevents to get ruined over time. And it's because when you're passing in all the hole, it gets ruined very easily with the normal thread. But
fraying and stuff, like it wears.
Martina started the stitching for us, and then we stitched the whole of our cord, and then once we had done that, she secured the stitching at each end.
And also the agatato bag is like Cocco, but it has a special process to make it shiny. That one over there is agatato.
So this is my finished charm and I'm delighted with it. I love the colours. It goes with my green baguette and it does also go with my blue baguette. So here's a picture of both of our charms attached to our bags. Gwenny went for the khaki green and the teal. It looks lovely on her lilac peekaboo, but we've also decided she needs a khaki green bag as well. So here we are together, and yes, we're both thrilled with our charms and think they look lovely. So we said a massive thank you to Martina. To be able to speak to somebody who actually makes the bags that we love so much in the Fendi factory was fascinating. So it was really exciting to meet her, and she was so interesting and lovely to talk to. So then Valentina cracked open some champagne for us so that we could carry on looking at some of the beauties in Fendi, because we'd already spied a few bags and other bits and pieces that we wanted to have a look at and try on.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
And cheers to you. You know the drill, the YouTube vlogging drill.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Now, as you all know, I am a baguette girl, but I really wanted to try some peekaboos on because I am yet to buy a peekaboo, and I really loved this one, Selleria style again, in the petrol blue with a matching strap hue, of course. This one was absolutely lovely, and I definitely enjoyed trying that one. I really loved the colour. Gwenny wanted to try the Peekaboo Soft because she hadn't had the opportunity to see that yet. I saw that one and tried it on the last time I was at Fendi and was very impressed. And again, I think Gwenny was equally impressed, especially with the softness of the leather. It is absolutely beautiful, that leather, so luxurious. And yeah, it looked good on her. We have the Peekaboo Softs again. And Gwenny is looking at the Peekaboo Softs. I've seen them already. This is her first look at them. And yeah, they are so soft. Look at those smiles. Now, I loved this Peekaboo. Selleria again with contrast stitching at the top. Handle is python and it has silver hardware. The colour is actually menta, which is in fact the same colour as the baguette that Dale from Dale's Addiction has. I'm sure most of you are aware of that. The inside was suede, absolutely beautiful, and the price for a semi-exotic bag, £3,900. So then I looked at Fendi's answer to the wallet on chain baguette, in this lovely khaki. It comes with a crossbody chain and a short shoulder strap. I really like the bag, but I did find the crossbody chain just that tad too short for me. And now, okay, look at this. Valentina is trying to slay me here. She took out this beautiful Purple Rain sequin baguette, brand new into the store. It was stunning. I've never tried one of these on before. I've tried a regular size baguette in the burgundy sequins when I bought my burgundy mini because I wanted to see how the regular compared to the mini. I've never tried the purple one on. I've seen Dale's on the screen. I've seen Amelia Rose's in person, and it is a stunning bag. I love it. If I were ever to get a regular size baguette in sequin, I think I would like it to be the purple one. It is gorgeous. I loved it. I loved wearing it. I loved trying it on. Look at this interior. I mean, it is just the most stunning bag. I can understand why Amelia, Dale, Meredith all absolutely adore theirs. So finally it was time to say goodbye to Fendi and goodbye to the lovely Valentina. I did make a purchase. It was something I saw the last time I went to Fendi, and I asked Valentina if she could put it aside for me, and I purchased it this time. But yes, all the champagne had been drunk, all the beautiful bags had been looked at and tried on, and yeah, thank you so much, Valentina, for another fabulous time at Fendi. Thank you for inviting us. We really enjoyed it. So at this point we were very hungry and we needed something to soak up the alcohol. So we managed to get into Pizzeria Pasqua, which is up on the second floor, up on the menswear floor. And it really was a lovely restaurant. It had a very good atmosphere. We both decided to have pasta dishes. I had penne with an arrabbiata sauce and Gwenny had spaghetti with a cardinal sauce. We both had lashings of parmesan and we both had cokes. It was absolutely delicious, really lovely food. We then had a mooch around a couple of other departments, one of them being Louis Vuitton. Looked from afar at these stunning petite mauves. Also looked at the main display, these beautiful trunks, kind of laid out in the style of the Eiffel Tower. Really, really lovely trunks. A couple of very nice capucines, again from afar. Then checked out the new Neverfalls, i.e. the inside out Neverfall. I have to say, I really am not a fan. Well, definitely not of the canvas one. To me, it does literally just look like a bag that is inside out. It doesn't look right somehow. But yeah, I don't have a Neverfall, but this new iteration of it will not encourage me to get one. We had a quick stop at Gucci and I was very taken with this lovely burgundy Jackie bag. Another stop at Saint Laurent to have a look at their big squishy bags, and then it was time to say goodbye and go home. It was getting dark, we'd run out of time. As I said, I did make a purchase at Fendi. I also bought a couple of makeup items at Dior. So yeah, had to say goodbye to the lovely Gwenny and get back on the train and come home. Okay, just got off the train, back in the car. It's getting a bit late. It's quite dark outside as well, because obviously it's getting darker earlier at the moment, but yeah, it's getting on a bit time-wise, so I really ought to get home. I've had a lovely day, really fantastic to spend time with Gwenny. We didn't stop nattering the whole day. We had some time at Fendi. It was lovely to do the bag chums together, really good fun. Great to see Valentina, spend some time with her and looking at all the beautiful things at Fendi. And then we had some lunch. bit more chatting, a bit more shopping, and yeah, it's just a really great day. Thank you, Gwenny. I had a fab time. Thank you, Valentina, for inviting both of us to the event. It was really, really lovely of you to think of us. And yeah, I've had a great day, but I really now ought to get home. So that's the end of my vlog. If you have enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. I will link Gwenny's channel and Gwenny's vlog down below. I also mentioned a few other YouTubers in the vlog. I will link all of their channels down below as well. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.